Today guys, I guess you would really like to see the likely winners of the 1 million naira set by Kizz Daniel for Cuff Challenge. So guys, since Kizz Daniel released his new album Cuff, it has been a hot trending of its time, as many people including celebrities like Brain Jotta, Sabinus, Brother Shaggy, Okole, Davido have really vibed to the music. So guys, don't forget to click and subscribe to my channel to get more gist on this. So guys, just as the video had been going viral and thousands of people vibing to it, Kizz Daniel had as well seized this opportunity to show love to his fans by setting a huge sum of 1 million naira for anybody who will emerge as the winner of Cuff Challenge. And a good number of people had jumped into this hot challenge. So guys, just as this challenge had been going viral, there are these two guys that have gotten interest of many people, and Kizz Daniel had taken to his Instagram handle to ask his fans to tag and mention among the two guys Bayochess and Nayola, who among them cured the vibe. So guys, I'll be playing the video to know who you think is the best, and I'll be back at the end of this clip.
After the show, we go Dubai. Make your body feel relaxed for my G-Wagon. You can spend it on me, baby, no jargon. I know that you got your eyes on me now, baby boo. If anybody send on you, not taboo. Cause now only you don't go to shit your way. I said they give on the bakuru, but she they shut down the loop. Angelina, she be my only boo. She no fit to leave me, I be otogo. Oto you will show my tell me who. If I be gorilla, she you go be my zoom. My woman, come to my room. My baby, what is happening?
So guys, just as I said earlier, these two guys are really doing good. They really did a good justice to this music. So who do you think is the best? Kindly drop your comments below, and please don't forget to click and subscribe to my channel to get more gist on this.